Tēnā anō tātou. Recently, the Mayor and Councillors have been discussing the Representation Review, which is a required legal process that reviews the structure of Council every 6 years. Several options were reviewed, and Council's preferred draft option is to retain the current structure of 1 Mayor and 10 Councillors, and to retain the 4 current community boards. There are some key changes within the proposed new structure. There will be separate general wards and Māori wards. We'll have 7 general councillors and 3 Māori ward councillors. We'll move from 4 general wards to 3 general wards. And we'll have 3 Māori wards with 1 Māori ward councillor elected from each. So what does this mean? Well, this is simply the preferred draft option at this stage. The proposal will be going out for public consultation on the 30th of August, which is your opportunity to provide feedback on the structure. The Mayor and Councillors will consider all submissions received and will make a final decision on the 11th of November. If you want any other information on this kaupapa, just watch my other videos. Or visit the website and hopefully your questions are answered there. If not, please feel free to comment on these posts. And remember, if you want to vote, make sure you're enrolled so you're ready to go come voting time next year. Tēnā tātou katoa.